Are you washing your hands?
Yeah.
In your face?
Yeah.
You don't look like you're washing your hands. You look like you're playing with the bubbles. Are you playing with the bubbles?
No.
Are you washing your hands? Are you washing your face?
Yeah.
Are you washing your face?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see your face. Is it all clean?
No, not yet.
Are you gonna get it all clean?
No, you get it all clean.
Okay.
Daddy came.
Daddy came?
Yeah.
What does that mean? That mean we're gonna go see Grandpa?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Happy.
Thanks for books to fill my brain. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.